Beautiful.
Isn't it swollen?
Look at that little thing.
Great timing, Neil.
Perfect.
Oh, on the road, look at that.
Get your camera out now, can you take?
I
Got
can't
one.
take. Oh, yes. Now you can.
Jacoby, you're beautiful. Thank you. Come on, Mummy.
Oh, look at that.
Great spot here. My God. That was worth travelling so far.
Easy journey.
Mummy. Oh my God. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Oh, listen.
Snarling.
No, she still doesn't. And wait. Says here it comes again. I want some.
Okay, Mum wants me to be nice. What a great view of the cove.
You couldn't get better.
You couldn't get better.
Anybody want to look with binoculars?
I think so.
I've got a binocular. I've got
Photograph
400.
first.